Hi guys, this is my microwave, actually oven and microwave. I don't know what happened, but when I turn on power, I'll show you what happened. When I touch my control panel, nothing happened, no sound, no anything. So I check in my digital meter, I check all three switch, everything is good, it's work. But when I come to diode, I found two diode, this one and this one. This is here on this side, and another side it's short, I find cut. So I think my IC in control panel some problem. My fuse it's okay because I have power. So please, anyone, can you help me? Please tell me what's going on. Okay, and I show you test my capacitor. Okay, I now show you test my capacitor. I think it's not good. Okay, this one and this one again. Same thing in magnet, nothing, no ohm, zero. So what's mean that it's work or not work, I don't know.